Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today I'll be explaining you how to register with Binance. So let's get started. Use the link in the description below. We'll be using the Binance web, but you can also use the Binance app. The process is exactly the same. So let's jump right into it. So this is the Binance homepage. Now click here on register. Here, type your email ID and create a password. Then click on terms and conditions and then on create account. Now you must have received a 6-digit code in your email ID. So open your email, memorize the code, or you can copy it as well. Then go back and type the code. So now your email has been successfully added. Now let's go to dashboard, click here. Now we need to verify our phone number, so click on phone verification. Choose your country. Then type your phone number. And then click on send code. Now you need to verify your email ID again. So click on send code here as well. Now type the code and click on submit. So we are done with the registration. Now we need to do the KYC process. So click on verify. Now we need to verify our personal details and address verification. So click on verify. So here you'll have to verify your basic information and an identity and facial verification. So let's go do that. Click on start. Now here fill your first name, last name, and whatever you see on the screen. Click on submit and continue. So here they are asking for additional verification. I have already done that. So make sure you do that as well before moving into the next part. I hope this video was valuable to you. If you are new here, subscribe to our channel. Help us grow so that we can teach you more about trading. And don't forget to like this video.